tornado sirens are blowing. Clouds are going extremely fast. Look at that. The line over there. Wow. It's pretty terrifying, actually. How dark it's like night over there. And it looks totally different than what my phone can show. But it's pretty dang dark. That's the glare. You can hear people saying, "Bring it on, baby!" Yelling at the storm like it's going to do any help. People just walking and ignoring the sirens. Not so smart.
I'm going to laugh when you guys die.
Here comes the people that are not even giving a damn about anything.
Oh, they're videotaping it.
Look at the clouds over there, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, click back. Okay, the sirens are going off.
I want you guys in the back laying down. Not laying